Here's how to make a healthy alkaline cranberry sauce. You're going to need 1 cup of fresh or frozen cranberries, 1 tablespoon of date syrup or agave syrup to taste, 1/2 a cup of water, 1 teaspoon of fresh orange zest, optional for added citrusy flavour, 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, which is optional, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, which is also optional for warmth, and a pinch of sea salt. So now, the first thing, prepare the cranberries. In a saucepan, combine the cranberries, water and date syrup. Simmer. Now bring to a simmer over medium heat, cook for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. The cranberries will begin to pop and break down, creating a natural thickening. After 10 to 15 minutes of simmering, mine's looking a bit like this. And now you can adjust your flavour. So once the cranberries have softened, add the orange zest, lemon juice if using cinnamon, and a pinch of sea salt, and stir to combine. Adjust consistency. If the sauce is too thick, like mine is quite thick, it's less of a sauce at the minute, add a little more water to reach your desired consistency. If it's too thin, continue to simmer for a few more minutes until it thickens. Now just take it off the heat and let it cool. If you want to save this for a later day, it can go in a glass jar in the fridge for 5 to 7 days without the lemon juice. However, if you have put the lemon juice in, it will last 10 to 14 days in the fridge. So you can make it well before your Christmas Day and have it ready. Or you could just make it on Christmas Day as it's quick. If you want to see how to make any other healthy Christmas food, have a look at the playlist on screen now.